Hello, this is Clive Hook from Clearworth, welcoming you to another 5-minute Think Spot, focusing on a key skill, tool or technique designed to give you more confidence and a competitive advantage in your working environment. In 5 minutes, I think you'll learn more than most people will learn this week. Today we're looking at conversational selling. This has been developed out of our work in behavioural intelligence and uses 3 core disciplines. What they all have in common is thinking before you speak and consciously choosing what to say or do next. Now, each of these disciplines is covered in another Think Spot, but briefly. 3-level questioning is designed to choose questions which elicit data at different levels, from level 1 basic facts and data, through thoughts and feelings at level 2, to motives and values at level 3. Conversation control is built around a mental map, where you picture where the conversation is, where you want it to be, and deciding what to say or do to move it there. Behavioural precision requires noticing and mentally labelling specific behaviours, both your own and others, and making an informed decision about what to do next. All 3 disciplines are in use here, combined with an approach often known as conceptual selling, establishing the customer's or buyer's concept or picture of what they want, rather than just pitching what you've got to offer. Fundamental to the approach, and straight from behavioural precision and conversation control, is the notion of push and pull behaviours. This is very much a pull approach. That means using behaviours which are designed to bring information in from the other person, not push behaviours which are about telling or presenting to them. So, seeking information and seeking proposals, rather than giving information and making proposals. There are 3 phases in conversational selling, and they usually follow this sequence, although as in any conversation, you could find yourself moving around between phases as the discussion develops. Perhaps the most important thing here, and as practiced in conversation control, is not jumping too quickly to solutions-based thinking and starting to do push behaviours too soon. This whole sales approach is about not selling, but helping them to buy. That means helping them to establish what the gap or discrepancy is between what they have at the moment, their current reality, and what they want, their desired end result. And if you're operating with integrity, you'll also be able to notice when you don't have a viable solution and be able to see it and share that with them. This is joint problem solving. It's about helping them to come to an informed decision by asking good questions. Not sell them something that doesn't fit. This Think Spot is about phase 1, information gathering. So this phase has a number of types of questions. Current reality questions establish what's going on right now. These are sometimes also known as confirmation questions. You're confirming the current state. These questions are phrased in the present tense with questions like, "So where are you now with this?" or "Is that still happening?" New information questions are to establish what's new, but also to respond to information that's just appeared, things you didn't know before and maybe don't fully understand. So asking how something fits into the picture or what's changed from before are both examples. Thoughts and feelings are level 2 questions. Here you're finding out about other than facts, what this person and maybe significant others are thinking and feeling in relation to the situation being explored. How do you feel about that? What's your thinking on that? Or how will they react to that? Are all questions in this category. Motives and values are level 3 questions. To find a good fit and a sustainable solution, you need to know how this sits with what this person sees as important and valuable. So the question, "Why is that important to you?" is a classic example of a motives and values question. Now, as with all of these models or tools, it's important to go away and try them in real life. This brief exploration should give you a language or labels for you to notice what you do, both right and wrong, and to reflect on what you need to do more of or less of to be more effective in this first phase of conversational selling. Well, look, I hope this has been helpful, and I look forward to looking at the other phases with you. Bye for now.